What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ralph at Animal Instincts 205, and I'm coming in hot with a new video. And in today's video, I have two new cichlids that I'm about to add to this grow out tank right here with all these fish or whatnot. But I have them acclimating in the corner, the back corner over there, and they are two nice cichlids or whatnot. They didn't come in the size that I thought they were gonna be, but they're a little smaller than I was thinking. But anyway, I have them acclimating right now, and in a second I'll be taking them out the bag and putting them in the tank, and I give y'all a glimpse in a hot second. Okay, so I got the fish out the bag, and I'm about to put them in the tank. So as you can see, or if you can tell that what kind of fish these are, they kind of look like a flower horn and they kind of look like a blood parrot. But these fish are flower horn parrot cichlids, somewhat of a super hybrid, if you want to say it like that. But I never seen these before, and it was two, and I had to grab them. And yeah, I give y'all a peek once I get them in the tank. See you in a second. All right, so I'm back, and as you can see, I've added the two new fish in. Some might call it a short body flower horn, but on the website it was labeled as a flower horn parrot. And I grabbed these two. They already looking good since I put them in, and hopefully I can get them to grow out real good, and y'all can see what they look like when they get bigger. I might pop up a picture if I figure out how to do that. But yeah, these are the fish, flower horn parrot. It's a nice looking fish. The other is under there, under the filter. But yeah, it's looking good. Hope nothing goes wrong and they can thrive and grow and heal with the rest of these fish. But yeah, I also got in two Salvinis down in my quarantine tank. I wanted to put the flower horn parrots in here, but since the Salvinis were already in here, I said, nah, I just put them up top. But that's them looking a little stressed. Once they get settled in or whatnot, they should come out and swim around and show their colors. But yeah, that's today's video, and I'll holler at y'all YouTube in the next one. Peace.